we'll see how that goes. I'm excited to see what happens. So I'm gonna make some videos in Zamboanga City. Zamboanga City is a pretty cool place to go and explore. Also, another great place to go visit is Bohol. Bohol, there's a lot of beaches and stuff. So yeah, it's nice, real nice. A lot of Iceland hopping. I've been dreaming of you tonight and tomorrow. This one is this video right here is getting some nice views. What's bad about the Philippines? 49 views in the same day. That's pretty good. I mean, it's not nothing like out of this world, but you know, I only had a couple of blogs that get like that the views go like this like in a day or two. My wedding blog, that one got like 400 something within a couple days. A 7-Eleven blog I did, that one got some decent. And the, the 7-Eleven blog, it was actually pretty cool. Going to 7-Eleven in Asia, especially like in Korea or Korea. I seen it in Korean dramas and stuff, but it's pretty interesting because they have different things that you don't see in America. So yeah, let me see if I can. Yeah, that was a pretty cool blog. Now I'm dreaming. That was a cool blog to do. I really enjoyed it. I'm just gonna turn the light off. They left the lights on from the castle, so yeah, the video about the cons, well, the bad stuff about the Philippines. I was talking about in that blog. I'm talking about basically. Well, it's not like that. It's not like that everywhere, but in the province, there's less. It's less convenient when you live in the province. So when you're living in the province, uh, for example, where I live, also there's a well, there's roads, right? But some places don't have roads. It's just dirt road. That's one of the things, and it is a problem. I'm gonna tell you why, because like around these areas it rains a lot, so you know, and roads a bunch of these roads are basically like in mountains. So if it rains, you get a bunch of sand. Is it landslides or sand slides? Whenever it's a mountain and then the dirt just falls to the